Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix NotebookLM stuck loading. If NotebookLM is taking too long to open or seems frozen on the loading screen, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by browser data or an extension conflict, and there are a few simple things you can try to get it working again. First, open NotebookLM in your browser. This gives you a clear starting point so you can confirm the issue and try the fixes directly where the problem is happening. Next, look at the upper part of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose the option to delete browsing data. Clearing browsing data can help remove cached files or temporary information that may be preventing the site from loading properly. If NotebookLM has stored outdated or corrupted browser data, this step often helps reset things. Once that menu appears, click Delete Data. Depending on your browser, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to let the process fully complete before trying anything else. After that, return to NotebookLM and check whether the page loads more normally. If the issue continues, the next thing to try is checking your browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with websites, especially tools that block scripts, modify page behavior, or add extra browser features. To do this, go to the upper right part of your screen and click the puzzle icon. Then select Manage Extensions. This will open the area where your browser extensions are listed. From here, disable them temporarily. A helpful approach is to turn them all off first, then test NotebookLM again. If the site starts working, you'll know that one of the extensions is likely causing the problem. After that, enable the extensions one by one and test the page each time. This makes it easier to identify the real culprit without guessing. Take your time with this step, since extension conflicts can be subtle and may only appear when a specific tool is active. Lastly, you can also refresh your current page. Sometimes, after clearing data or disabling extensions, a simple refresh is all that's needed for the browser to load a clean version of the site. If needed, give the page a few extra seconds to fully reload. By going through these steps carefully, you can usually resolve most NotebookLM loading issues. Clearing browsing data, checking extensions, and refreshing the page are quick troubleshooting methods that often solve the problem without needing anything more advanced.